Did you know that the potato, a staple in many diets worldwide, is not a root but a stem? This might come as a surprise, but the potato as we know it is actually a swollen stem called a tuber. These tubers grow underground and serve as the plant's energy storage, packed with nutrients and carbohydrates. The potato's unassuming appearance hides a rich history and a fascinating journey across continents. For centuries, this starchy tuber has played a crucial role in sustaining civilizations, fueling exploration, and inspiring culinary creativity. But there's more to the potato than meets the eye. Recent scientific studies are uncovering surprising health benefits and challenging long-held beliefs about this humble spud. The potato belongs to the nightshade family, Solanaceae, which might sound alarming considering some family members are notorious for their toxicity. However, the potato's toxic relatives, like belladonna and henbane, contain harmful alkaloids primarily in their leaves and fruits. The potato tuber, when properly grown and prepared, is safe and nutritious. The green patches you might sometimes see on potatoes, however, indicate the presence of solanine, a toxic alkaloid. It's best to avoid consuming those green parts. Centuries of cultivation have resulted in a vast diversity of potato varieties, each with unique characteristics, flavors, and culinary uses. From the starchy russet, ideal for baking and frying, to the waxy Yukon Gold, perfect for roasting and mashing, the potato offers a world of culinary possibilities. Beyond its culinary versatility, the potato is gaining recognition for its potential health benefits. Recent studies suggest that potatoes, particularly purple varieties, are rich in antioxidants, even more so than blueberries. These antioxidants, called anthocyanins, are believed to protect against heart disease, cancer, and age-related cognitive decline. Additionally, potatoes are a good source of potassium, an essential mineral that helps regulate blood pressure and muscle function. Researchers are also exploring the potential prebiotic effects of resistant starch found in potatoes. Resistant starch acts like fiber, promoting gut health and potentially improving blood sugar control. Section 4. From Andes to your plate, a journey through time. The potato's journey began high in the Andes Mountains of South America, where it was first domesticated by indigenous people over 7,000 years ago. For centuries, potatoes were a staple food for Andean civilizations, thriving in the harsh mountain environment. Spanish conquistadors brought the potato to Europe in the 16th century. Initially met with skepticism and suspicion, the potato eventually gained acceptance, spreading throughout Europe and becoming a crucial food source, particularly during times of famine. The potato's journey didn't stop there. It crossed the Atlantic again, reaching North America, and eventually becoming a global food. Today, the potato is the world's third most important food crop, after rice and wheat, feeding billions of people worldwide. Section 5. The potato, your culinary companion. From simple boiled potatoes to crispy fries and creamy mashed potatoes, the culinary possibilities with this versatile tuber are endless. Experiment with different varieties, explore global cuisines, and discover your favorite ways to enjoy the humble yet mighty potato. What's your favorite way to cook potatoes? Share your culinary creations and potato tips in the comments below.